You need to watch this if you struggle with your dad snoring louder than a grumpy bear. Here's how to turn down the volume on Dad's snoring. Step 1. Sneak into his room like a ninja. Don't wake the beast. Step 2. Place some anti-snoring strips on his nose. It's like magic for Dad's nose. Step 3. If he's still snoring, try a gentle nudge. Gentle, like you're petting a kitten. Step 4. If all else fails, grab some earplugs. For you, not him. Now enjoy your peaceful night, and remember, if all else fails, maybe Dad just needs a new pillow. Or a new bed in the basement. So, who's ready to outsmart Dad's snoring? Subscribe at Pure Endorphins for more fun tricks and tips.